Welcome to What It's Like. This is a little bit different. I wasn't going to post this one because I didn't do a full review on this car yet. I wanted to ask you guys, would you be interested in watching a full review of a Factory 5 Shelby Cobra? This is not a real Shelby Cobra. This is a fiberglass car. This one has a 5-liter Coyote engine in it from a Mustang. So imagine the best sounding Mustang and times it by 1,000. This is what this sounds like. It sounds absolutely amazing. This car, we just got it in. For those that don't know, I took a job at John Kufleitner's. I'm their media guy, and this car only has 68 miles on it. It's going to be for sale. We had to drive it down to the detail shop. Oh, yeah. Now, I know I drive fast. I'm not going to drive fast. It doesn't work. This is a good? Yeah. This is a bucket list thing for me. This is a Cobra, but it's got a 5.0 Mustang engine in it. It's fuel injected. The pedals are super, super close. I don't know if you can see that down there. My feet are kind of too big and the clutch is weird. It's very stiff. The clutch is very stiff and it doesn't go down that far. I think, but it's the clutch is very, very stiff and it doesn't go down very far. Notice the speedometer goes the opposite way. The sound is incredible. We're gonna do a full episode on that coming soon.